Hello everyone, in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to make the shapes in Bambu Studio. So first of all you need to simply launch your Bambu Studio software. Now over here on the home page you need to click on the option of create new project. Then you are going to see this type of empty build plate in front of you. So over here you need to make sure of one thing, that you are inside the prepare tab. So you can see we are in the prepare tab over here. Now you need to right click anywhere on the build plate, and then among the given options you need to hover over to the add primitive option. Now when you hover over to the add primitive option, you are going to see bunch of different built-in shapes over here, such as we have cube, we have cylinder, sphere, cone, disc, double tier, rhomboid, cylinder, torus, etc. So you can click on any one of these primitive shapes depending on your Bambu Studio version. So let's say I want to select the option of sphere. So when you have basically clicked on that, you are going to see the sphere shape over here on your plate. So once you have it, you just have to simply select it by clicking on it. Now as soon as you select your shape, you are going to see that these tools are going to be enabled for you to use. So over here we have this move tool available, so you can use this move tool in order to move this particular object in any direction possible. Then we have the rotate option as well, so you can click on the rotate option and then you can rotate this particular object in any direction that you want. Afterwards we have the select option available, so you can just simply select the option of scale and then you can increase or decrease its size. Now this is the first shape that you will be adding. So if you want to add another shape, simply select the shape first, then select the option of add part, and then among the given options you need to add another part as well. So for example, let's say I've added this cone over here. Again you need to select the cone separately and increase or decrease its size. Now over here you can just simply merge both of these shapes and then you can create a new shape. So you can select both of these and then simply right click on it and then select the option of merge into the single part, or you can also use the option of merge boolean from the given option here on the top, and then you can basically merge both of these shapes. So this way you can make the best out of the shapes option here inside Bambu Studio. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.